Hey, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will understand about the astaxanthin as an anti-aging compound. So, it is basically the red pigment that belong a group of chemical called the carotenoids. So, here is a structure which does contain two ring and the tail. This tail is known as the lipophilic backbone, while the hydrophilic polar end are present. This is the xanthophyll. Remember, this is xanthophyll. This is known as the astaxanthin. So in this way here, this is a red pigment that belong a group of chemical called carotenoids. So it occur in certain algae and cause pink red color in salmon. So on the other hand, the antioxidant uh, protect from damaged cell. So it will protect from the damaged cell. So how it is possible? We will understand the whole story. So it is basically antioxidant and it will oxidative stress preventer. So it will prevent the oxidative stress due to the free radical scavenging process, and this abundant carotenoid marine region in organism, which that is basically the marine region contain, and this is the marine animal contain the astaxanthin. So remember, like fish and like the other crabs or other things. So in this way, the astaxanthin, whenever it will basically protect the mitochondria defect causes can be oxidative stress, aging, cancer, tiredness, and fatigue. Basically, it will prevent these things. So remember, due to the mitochondrial biogenesis. On the other hand, the reactive oxygen species and reactive nitrogen species increase due to the mitochondrial damage and the hypoxia. So the mitochondria decrease the reactive oxygen species by the using of the astaxanthin. So the astaxanthin is very important compound. So remember, the antioxidant enzyme that will boost by the astaxanthin, like the catalase, superoxide dismutase, and lactoperoxidases, and the glutathione peroxidase, which that is the antioxidant enzyme will improve. While the insulin, whenever you will intake the food like glucose, trigger the insulin production from the pancreas, target the GLUT4 channel to the glucose consumption. So the GLUT4 channel is very important, and in this way the GLUT4 channel increase by the astaxanthin. 30 to 40% of body mass, where basically the 80% insulin induced glucose uptake will occur, but the other 20% basically without insulin the glucose can move into the cell, like the endothelial cell of the blood vessel. Anyhow, here is the insulin bind with the insulin receptor. So the insulin receptor substrate 1 activate phosphorylation to increase the PI3K pathway, phosphatidyl inositol 3 kinase, will lead to increase the RAC1 and the AKT. This AKT will inhibit, but the RAC1 increase the cophylline and the ARP3 and 2, which that is important for actin remodeling. So the actin remodeling, and in this the actin remodeling will increase the GLUT4 channel. So on the other hand, the RAB8, 12, AB, and 10, 13, and 14 basically inhibit by the AS160 by the using of the GTPase. But in this way, the AKT will inhibit it, lead to basically increase this protein for increase the GLUT4 channel. So the degradation prevention will occur due to the astaxanthin, because the astaxanthin will inhibit the degradation of the GLUT4 channel, and the oxidative stress also inhibit. In this way, the GLUT4 channel will bind with the plasma membrane for the influx of the glucose for the normal metabolism. And in this, the hyperglycemia and type 2 diabetes will be inhibit. Astaxanthin basically inhibit the oxidative stress, and the genus kinase basically will inhibit, and in this the insulin receptor substrate 1 will trigger more and more for increase the GLUT4 channel, and in this the GLUT4 channel increase will lead to inhibit the type 2 diabetes mellitus.